Two easy recipes using chickpeas, suitable for babies over 9 months old. For the first recipe, we need steamed chickpeas and some curd. For the second recipe, we need steamed chickpeas, cheese and some dates. Here you can see that I am preparing the first recipe. Here I add steamed chickpeas, some curd along with some curd water and blend all together to get the smooth puree. Our first recipe is ready to serve. This is rich in creaminess with a little bit of sourness in it. Here I'm preparing the second recipe. I add steamed chickpeas into a blender along with some dates and grated cheddar cheese. Dates add a nice sweet flavor into this recipe. You can add some water into this and blend for few seconds. Now our second recipe is ready to serve. This is how I prepared chickpeas for my elder sons. I tempered steamed chickpeas along with some chili pieces and some butter. So the food items we added here helps your baby to gain his or her weight, especially cheese, dates as well as curd, and also the oil we use to temper chickpeas. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.